as well bring a shovel. This is a dig site after all. Field report. Confirming arrival at site identified in our intel. No sign of the target, nor the other agents believed to be on intercept course. Dempsey out.
Process interrupted.
Think you can take me?
Conversion process complete. Generator 1 now activated.
I think this was gonna go any other way. Target area appears affected by an unknown contaminant. Enemy personnel have degenerated to their primal instincts, exhibiting irrational and unparalleled savagery. Recommend all Allied units set up exclusion zone until further intel is available.
Double points.
Talking to you. Let's make these bullets count.
Blood money.
There's significance to this recording? I think this'll come in handy.
Initiating conversion sequence.
Watch the light! Watch the light!
Conversion process interrupted. Conversion process interrupted. Conversion process complete. Generator 2 now activated.
One of those robots nearly crushed us! First time I've had a clear look at it. Holy shit. Damn mud's slowing me down. I'm not gonna take that thing down in a million years! At least I'm still in one piece.
Initiating conversion sequence.
Bastards are appearing out of thin air!
Conversion process complete.
Let's see if the German was telling the truth. I'll be. This thing just spat out a weapon.
Blood money.
Uncovered further evidence of large-scale mechanization of German forces. Attempts to gather intel being hampered by the infected enemy. fucking way! Running real low on ammo here. What the fuck? Who's dropping bombs? Fuck, gun's empty! The mound. It's where you first saw them? I'm gonna have to find somewhere to put these pieces together.
Double points.
Heads up! The robot's coming this way! Holy shit! Look at those things. I think we're inside the robot's head. At least I'm still in one piece.
Initiating conversion sequence.
Watch your back! They're all over us!
Conversion process interrupted.
Not the mood for this shit. You freaks don't stand a chance.
Conversion process complete. Generator 4 now activated.
This work like a flak jacket or something?
Can you hear me?
Initiating
Please,
conversion sequence.
you have to help me. I'm trapped here. I just want to go home.
Anyone just hear a little girl?
Conversion process interrupted. Conversion process complete. Generator 5
We'll call this payment for services rendered.
Zombie blood.
It's like camouflage. They don't see you so well. might be able to find a good use for this. Crossed a line.
Blood money.
Looks like this is just about done. First mistake was touching me. Your second was sticking around. Well, I'll be. Just found myself another gun. It's approaching. Guess this has been running on autopilot ever since the crew were killed. At least I'm still in one piece. To walk away. This seems a little out of place in a war zone.
Max ammo.
Looks like we all just got loaded up. X picked on the wrong Marine. Richtofen. It's another of your crazy machines? Damn it! Barely move in this mud. A fragment of a staff. The little girl's right. We may need this right here. This crystal better be worth the effort it took to get it. Right off the horizon.
You have to help me. Please. There is a way to open the gateway. My father was so close. He said, you have to follow the steps.
I don't suppose you remember what he did. Kinda in the dark here.
Initiating conversion sequence.
Watch your backs! They're all over us! Not today. All the generators are up and running.
Now activated.
Insta-kill.
The ancients found the way to bridge the void. Follow in their footsteps.
I'm working on it, little girl.
I'm trying to remember. The staffs of the ancients were lost. Your father made copies. You can find them. You can get me out. You can open the gateway to Agartha.
Sounds like we got ourselves a plan. Hang in there, little girl. Maybe it is part of some other crazy weapon. Stay the fuck away, freak. Shit. Never warned us they were armory coffins!
Max ammo.
Now that's a hell of an upgrade. shit comes easy to me. Don't feel much stronger. Mind you, I can already run 10 miles with a full kit. Stand on your feet.
Points.
Sounds like one of the generators is under attack. A fragment of a staff. Straight into the next life. Wind blows through here. It's gonna take all you bastards with it. One way or another, you should have known I was gonna blow you away.
Max ammo.
How'd I get myself into this mess? I better take it, just in case the German's telling the truth. Can't remember the last time I tasted sugar. My basic rations are barely edible. This is not looking good. You don't seem to understand. I'm trained for this.
Insta-kill.
You freaks don't stand a chance. Damn mud's slowing me down. You can't weather this storm.
It's one of the songs. It has to be.
Here come the big guys again! Wind blows through here. It's gonna take all you bastards with it. These freaks put up a hell of a fight when they're in those suits. You freaks want me. Come get me! You sons of bitches are not taking me down! Freight bags are attacking the generators! Good work holding these sons of bitches back. That will blow you freaks straight into the next life. You don't seem to understand. I'm trained for this. Today. Wind blows through here. It's gonna take all you bastards with it.
Max ammo.
Don't ask me how, but it looks like we all just got some fresh ammunition.
Father said the chambers were doorways, opened by the songs of the ancients. Harness the elements. Only with all can Agartha be reached.
Was touching me. Second was sticking around. Someone better have my back. Freaks don't stand a chance. Got enemies closing in fast. Let's fire this up.
blood money.
You solved the riddle. Something's happening. I can feel it.
We need to get this operational. Your eating days are over. Ugh. Red haze coming up. It's like I want to pick a fight.
Power of the wind is yours. Soon, I will be free.
Double points.
I know I will.
Knock it off, freak bag. You're getting cut. How's it feel to be in the eye of the storm?
Max ammo.
Freak bags are attacking the generator. Got enemies closing in fast. Ain't no storm shelter for you to hide in around here. Hope it changes things for the better. Don't let up. disappeared!
Insta-kill.
You freaks ready for a real fight?
Max ammo.
You hear me? You should have known I was gonna blow you away! Think this was a bit of a tactical miscalculation. This is not looking good. Wrong Marine. Let up!
Insta-kill.
You freaks don't stand a chance. How's it feel to be in the eye of the storm? Almost too easy. What the fuck? Who's dropping bombs?
Blood money.
Minute jam here! Freaks don't stand a chance. There ain't gonna be a break in this storm until I say so!
Zombie blood.
Nothing! You hear me? Is this connected with our lost girl? Well, I'll be. Just found myself another gun. Got a situation here. One way or another, you should have known I was gonna blow you away. Don't stand on your feet. Sounds like one of the generators is under attack.
Blood money.
Wind blows through here. It's gonna take all you bastards with it.
Max ammo.
Don't ask me how. Ugh, I'm talking to you. Ugh, you sons of bitches are not taking me down. Wind blows through here. It's gonna take all you bastards with it.
Max ammo.
Looks like we all just got loaded up.
Blood money.
Heads up! The armored suspects are here again! That must have been at least 500 pounds of explosives right there. Can't weather this storm. Finally. Son of a bitch is left. Come on, sons of bitches. Walk it off, freak bag.
Max ammo.
Fools.
Let's
Your
make these
actions
bullets
will
count.
condemn you for all eternity.
Through talking to you. Ain't no storm shelter for you to hide in around here. Should have held on to something. There's too many of them. Where the fuck are you guys? One way or another, you should have known I was gonna blow you away.
Generator 4 is
Sounds like one of the generators is under attack. Good work.
Max ammo. Double points.
First mistake. Who's touching it? Second, sticking around. Freaks want me. Come get me. Wind blows through here. It's gonna
Zombie
take all you
blood.
bastards with it.
Max ammo.
Don't ask me how, but it looks like we all just got some fresh ammunition.